Chapter 6 Fractions. Zihan is celebrating his birthday. His mother has baked a chocolate cake. His sister has decorated the room and tied balloons around the house. Zihan cut the cake into two equal parts. Each part is half of the cake. Two equal parts are made. Half is written as 1 upon 2. Zihan's mother then divided it into four equal parts. Each part is 1/4 of the cake. Four equal parts were made. 1/4 is written as 1 upon 4. She further divided it into 8 parts. Each part is 1/8 of the cake. 8 equal parts were made. 1/8 is written 1 upon 8. Fraction of a number or collection. Example 3. Arjun's mother baked cookies. She gave 10 cookies to Arjun. He gave half of these to his sister. How many cookies would she give to his sister? Arjun has divided 10 cookies into two equal parts. 1 upon 2. Half of 10 means 10 divided by 2. Step 1. Divide the total number of cookies by the denominator. That is, 10 is divided by 2 is equal to 5. Step 2. Multiply the quotient and numerator. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Answer. Arjun would give 5 cookies to his sister. Finding half of collection means dividing the collection into two equal parts. Example 4. What is half of 24? Half of 24 means 24 is divided by 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 into 24. Step 1. 24 is divided by 2 is equal to 12. Step 2. 12 into 1 is equal to 12. Answer. Half of 24 is 12. Example 5. Reena bought 9 biscuit packets from the market. She wants to share them equally with her two cousins. How many packets will each get? Reema has to divide 9 packets into 3 equal parts. Reema plus 2 cousins is equal to 3. Step 1. 9 is divided by 3 is equal to 3. Step 2. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Answer. Each of them will get 3 biscuit packets each. Finding 1/3 of a collection means dividing it into 3 groups. Example 6. What is 1/3 of 42? 1/3 of 42 means 42 divided by 42 is divided by 3. Step 1. 42 is divided by 3 is equal to 14. Step 2. 14 into 1 is equal to 14. Answer. 1/3 of 42 is 14. Example 7. What is 1/3 of a dozen eggs? A dozen is equal to 12. So, 1/3 of 12 is equal to what? Step 1. Divide 12 by the denominator 3. 12 is divided by 3 is equal to 4. Step 2. Multiply the quotient by the numerator. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Answer. 1/3 of a dozen eggs is equal to 4 eggs. Example 8. Suhani's mother made 12 gulab jamuns. She asked Suhani to distribute them in such a manner that all 4 family members get equal number of gulab jamuns. How many gulab jamuns will each member get? Suhani has to divide 12 gulab jamuns into 4 equal groups. That is, 12 is divided by 4. Step 1. 12 is divided by 4 is equal to 3. Step 2. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Answer. Each family member will get 3 gulab jamuns each. Example 9. What is 1/4 of a year? In months, 1 year is equal to 12 months. 1/4 of 12 is equal to 12 is divided by 4. Step 1. 12 is divided by 4 is equal to 3. Step 2. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 1/4 of 1 year in months is equal to 3 months. Example 10. What is 3/4 of an hour in minutes? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 3/4 of 60 minutes is what? Step 1. 60 is divided by 4 is equal to 15. Step 2. 15 into 3 is equal to 45. Answer. 3/4 of an hour is equal to 45 minutes. Example 11. What is 3/8 of 24? 3/8 of 24 is equal to what? Step 1. 24 is divided by 8 is equal to 3. Step 2. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Answer. 3/8 of 24 is 9. Application. Example 12. Mummy made 36 chocolate toffees. Girish ate 3/4 of them. How many toffees did he eat? Number of toffees eaten by Girish is equal to 3/4 of 36. Step 1. Divide 36 by 4. 36 is divided by 4 is equal to 9. Step 2. Multiply 9 and 3. 9 into 3 is equal to 27. Answer. Girish ate 27 toffees. Application. Example 12. Mummy made 36 chocolate toffees. Girish ate 3/4 of them. How many toffees did he eat? Number of toffees eaten by Girish is equal to 3/4 of 36. Step 1. Divide 36 by 4. 36 is divided by 4 is equal to 9. Step 2. Multiply 9 and 3. 9 into 3 is equal to 27. Answer. Girish ate 27 toffees. Equivalent fractions. Mrs. Jose made a 3 equal pancakes for Rini, Ramya and Sonia. Rini had half pancake, Ramya had 2/4 pancake, Sonia had 4/8 pancake. We can see from the above picture that the fractions are different but the shaded area is same. Each of them ate the same part, that is half a pancake. Since 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4 and 4 upon 8 indicate same part of the pancake. These fractions represent the same part of a whole. Equivalent fractions are fractions with different numerators and denominators that represent the same value of the whole. Equivalent fractions show equal parts of a whole. So, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4, 4 upon 8 are equivalent fractions, each being equivalent to 1 upon 2. Finding equivalent fraction. To find an equivalent fraction, multiply or divide the numerator and the denominator of the fraction by the same number. Example 13. Write an equivalent fraction of 2 upon 5. 2 upon 5 is equal to 2 into 2 upon 5 into 2 is equal to 4 upon 10. Answer. 4 upon 10 is an equivalent fraction of 2 upon 5. Example 14. Write an equivalent fraction of 20 upon 30 with denominator 6. 20 upon 30 is equal to upon 6. To get 6 in the denominator, we need to divide 30 by 5. So we also divide the numerator by 5. 20 divided by 5 upon 30 divided by 5 is equal to 4 upon 6. Answer. 20 upon 30 and 4 upon 6 are equivalent fractions. Lowest or simplest form of a fraction. A fraction is in the lowest form if the only common factor of the numerator and the denominator is 1. To get the lowest form of a fraction, divide the numerator and the denominator of the fraction by their common factor on their HCF till they cannot be divided any further. For example, 9 divided by 3 upon 54 divided by 3 is equal to 3 upon 18. is equal to 3 divided by 3 upon 18 divided by 3 is equal to 1 upon 6. 1 upon 6 is the lowest form of 9 upon 54. Example 15. Radha made a dosa for breakfast. She divided her dosa into 8 equal parts and ate 6 parts of it. Radha ate 6 upon 8 of the dosa. Reduce the fraction 6 upon 8 to its lowest term. Divide the numerator and the denominator by their common factor 2. 6 upon 8 is equal to 6 divided by 2 upon 8 divided by 2 is equal to 3 upon 4. The lowest form of 6 upon 8 is 3 upon 4. Example 16. Check if these fractions are in the lowest term. A. 8 upon 9. B. 5 upon 13. A. 8 upon 9. Factors of 8 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 8. Factors of 9 is equal to 1, 3, 9. 8 upon 9 is in the lowest form as 1 is the only common factor. B. 5 upon 15. Fraction of 5 is equal to 1, 5. Factors of 15 is equal to 1, 3, 5, 15. 5 upon 15 is not in its lowest form as 5 is a common factor of 5 and 15. Example 17. Reduce the following fractions to their lowest term. A. 8 upon 30. 8 divided by 2 upon 30 divided by 2 is equal to 4 upon 15. Answer 4 upon 15. B. 27 upon 45. 27 divided by 3 upon 45 divided by 3 is equal to 9 divided by 3 upon 15 divided by 3 is equal to 3 upon 5. Answer 3 upon 5. Like and unlike fractions. Rani was eating her lunch. She divided her chapati in the following ways. 4 upon 4 is equal to whole. 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4. All the fractions have different numerators but same denominators. Two or more fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. Rajan divided his pizza in the following ways. 1 upon 4, 1 upon 2, 3 upon 8. All fractions have different numerators and denominators. Two or more fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Comparing and ordering like fractions. Example 18. Shruti and Shreya have divided their equal pizzas into 8 parts. Shruti's share 3 upon 8. Shreya's share 7 upon 8. Shruti has eaten 3 upon 8 of her pizza and Shreya has eaten 7 upon 8 of her pizza. Which of the fractions is greater? Who has eaten more pizza? Shaded area of Shreya's pizza is more than Shruti's. So, 7 upon 8 is greater than 3 upon 8. Shreya has eaten more pizza. Like fractions have same denominators. Unlike fractions have different denominators. Remember, you can only compare fractions from the same whole or same sized whole. Example 19. Compare the following fractions. A. 3 upon 4, 2 upon 4. 3 upon 4 and 2 upon 4 are like fractions as denominators are same. So, comparing the numbers 3 is greater than 2. So, 3 upon 4 is greater than 2 upon 4. Answer 3 upon 4 is greater than 2 upon 4. B. 2 upon 7, 5 upon 7. 2 upon 7 and 5 upon 7 are like fractions as denominators are same. 2 is smaller than 5. So, 2 upon 7 is smaller than 5 upon 7. 5 upon 7. Answer 2 upon 7 is smaller than 5 upon 7. Comparing on number line. Numbers get bigger. Numbers get smaller. Example 20. Mark the following fractions on the number line. 1 upon 8, 3 upon 8, 4 upon 8, 6 upon 8, 7 upon 8, 1 upon 8, 3 upon 8, 4 upon 8, 6 upon 8, 7 upon 8. 1 is smaller than 3, 3 is smaller than 4, 4 is smaller than 6, 6 is smaller than 7. Example 21. Arrange 1 upon 7, 6 upon 7, 5 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 2 upon 7 in ascending order. They are like fractions as denominators are same. Compare the numerators and arrange them in order of smallest to greatest. 1 is smaller than 2, 2 is smaller than 3, 3 is smaller than 5, 5 is smaller than 6. Answer. The fraction in ascending order are 1 upon 7 is smaller than 2 upon 7 is smaller than 3 upon 7. 3 upon 7 is smaller than 5 upon 7. 5 upon 7 is smaller than 6 upon 7. Example 22. Write 2 upon 9, 5 upon 9, 1 upon 9, 6 upon 9, 4 upon 9 in descending order. They are like fractions as denominators are same. Compare the numerators and arrange them in order of greatest to smallest. 6 is greater than 5. 5 is greater than 4. 4 is greater than 2. 2 is greater than 1. Answer. The fractions in descending order are 6 upon 9 is greater than 5 upon 9. 5 upon 9 is greater than 4 upon 9. 4 upon 9 is greater than 2 upon 9. 2 upon 9 is greater than 1 upon 9. Proper and improper fractions. Proper fractions. Fractions which are less than one whole. In a proper fraction, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. For example, 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3, 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3. Proper fractions with numerator 1 are called unit fractions. Examples of unit fractions are 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 6, etc. Improper fractions. Fractions which are equal to or more than one whole. 2 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 2. 3 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 is equal to 4 upon 3. 3 upon 2 is an improper fraction. 4 upon 3 is an improper fraction. Mixed fraction. Fractions which are made up of whole numbers and a proper fraction are called mixed fractions or mixed numbers. Improper fractions can also be written as mixed numbers. 2 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 2 is equal to 1 and 1 upon 2. Mixed fraction. 3 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 is equal to 4 upon 3 is equal to 1 and 1 upon 3 mixed fraction. Converting improper fractions to whole numbers. Example 26. Convert 18 upon 3 as a whole number. Divide 18 by 3. 18 is divided by 3 is equal to 6. The required whole number is 6. Converting improper fraction to mixed number. Example 27. Change 8 upon 3 to a mixed number. Step 1. Divide the numerator by the denominator. 8 is divided by 3. Step 2. For the mixed number, write the quotient as whole number. Divisor is 3. Quotient is 2. Remainder is 2. Step 3. Write the remainder as the numerator and divisor as the denominator of the mixed number. Mixed number is equal to 2 and 2 upon 3. Example 28. Change the improper fraction 13 upon 7 to a mixed number. Mixed number is equal to 1 and 6 upon 7. 13 is divided by 7. Divisor is 7. Quotient is 1. Remainder is 6. Answer. 13 upon 7 is equal to 1 and 6 upon 7. Converting mixed numbers to improper fractions. To change a mixed number to improper fraction, follow these steps. Example 29. Express 3 and 1 upon 4 as an improper fraction. Step 1. Multiply the whole number part to the denominator. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Step 2. Add the product to the numerator. 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. Step 3. This is the numerator of the fraction. The denominator remains the same, 13 upon 4. Answer: 3 and 1 upon 4 is equal to 13 upon 4. Example 30. Change 2 and 1 upon 5 to an improper fraction. 2 and 1 upon 5 is equal to 5 into 2 plus 1 upon 5 is equal to 10 plus 1 upon 5 is equal to 11 upon 5. Answer: 2 and 1 upon 5 is equal to 11 upon 5. The denominator of the mixed number and the improper fraction formed is the same. Whole number as a fraction. All whole numbers can be written as fractions with denominator 1. For example, 2 is equal to 2 upon 1. 3 is equal to 3 upon 1. When the numerator and denominator are equal, the fractions represent one whole. 2 upon 2 is equal to 1 whole. 4 upon 4 is equal to 1 whole. When the numerator is a multiple of the denominator, the fraction represents a whole. 9 upon 3 is equal to 3 whole. Adding like fractions. Example 31. Aisha divided her chocolate into 8 pieces. She used 4 pieces for decorating the cake and ate 2 pieces. What is the total fraction of the whole chocolate that she has used? Fraction used for decorating cake is equal to 4 upon 8. Fraction eaten is equal to 2 upon 8. Total fraction of the chocolate used is equal to 4 upon 8 plus 2 upon 8 is equal to what? To add like fractions, follow these steps. Step 1. Add the numerator. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Step 2. The denominator remains the same. 4 upon 8 plus 2 upon 8 is equal to 4 upon 2 upon 8 is equal to 6 upon 8. Step 3. Reduce the fraction to its lowest form. 6 divided by 2 upon 8 divided by 2 is equal to 3 upon 4. Answer: she used 3 upon 4 of the chocolate. Example 32. Add 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 5. 2 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5 is equal to 2 plus 1 upon 5 is equal to 3 upon 5. Example 33. Add 3 upon 11 and 9 upon 11. 3 upon 11 plus 9 upon 11 is equal to 3 plus 9 upon 11 is equal to 12 upon 11 is equal to 1 and 1 upon 11. 12 is divided by 11. Example 34. Add 1 and 1 upon 3 and 2 and 2 and 1 upon 3. 1 and 1 upon 3 plus 2 and 1 upon 3 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 is equal to 3 plus 1 upon 3 is equal to 3 plus 2 upon 3 is equal to 3 and 2 upon 3. Answer: 3 and 2 upon 3. Example 35. Add 1 and 1 upon 5 and 2 upon 5. 1 and 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5 is equal to 1 plus 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5 is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 2 upon 5 is equal to 1 plus 3 upon 5 is equal to 1 and 3 upon 5. Answer: 1 and 3 upon 5. Subtracting like fractions. To subtract like fractions, follow these steps. Example 36. Neelu had one burger. She gave 2 upon 5 of it. She gave 2 upon 5 of it to her friend. How much burger is left with her? Burger left is equal to 1 minus 2 upon 5 is equal to 5 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5. Step 1. Subtract the numerator. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Step 2. Denominator remains the same. 5 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5 is equal to 5 minus 2 upon 5 is equal to 3 upon 5. Step 3. Reduce it to the lowest term if required. Answer. Burger left is equal to 3 upon 5 of the whole. Example 37. Subtract 3 upon 9 from 6 upon 9. 6 upon 9 minus 3 upon 9 is equal to 6 minus 3 upon 9 is equal to 3 upon 9. 3 is divided by 3 upon 9 is divided by 3 is equal to 1 upon 3. Answer 1 upon 3. Example 38. Subtract 1 upon 3 from 1 and 2 upon 3. 1 and 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3 is equal to 5 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3 is equal to 5 minus 1 upon 3 is equal to 4 upon 3. 4 is divided by 3. Answer 4 upon 3 is equal to 1 and 1 upon 3. Applications. Example 39. Samira used 3 upon 2 kg of rice and 1 upon 2 kg of pulses for making idli. What is the total fraction of rice and pulse used? Rice used is equal to 3 upon 2 kg. Pulse used is equal to 1 upon 2 kg. Total amount of rice and pulse used is equal to 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 3 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 4 upon 2 is equal to 2 kg. Answer. Total rice and pulse used by Samira is equal to 2 kg.